What's going on, YouTube? Another day, another project. Today we're going to go out to Pull Apart or LKQ, probably LKQ first. We're going to see if we can source. I've got a list here. We need a back quarter door for the Harley. We need the driver's side speaker and bolts for the red F150, the dome light for the red F150, driver's side running board for the red F150, I already said rear passenger door. Then I'm going to go look, just out of curiosity, at Volkswagens for some parts for the that damn Jetta. So let me tell you what I did with the Jetta. I'm still sick. I can hardly get through a single sentence on here without screwing it up because my throat keeps messing up on me. But I gave the Jetta to Tim. Tim has never owned a car before, and I don't know what it was, man. I've been in a real giving mood lately. So I thought about it and I was like, you know what? Maybe Tim can use the car. It'd be a good experience for him to work on his own car, buy his own parts, you know, and maybe it'll motivate him to get his license. He's never had a driver's license. He does have a permit. But maybe this will help motivate him because a car is freedom. You know, that's what I tried to tell him. Is like, a car is freedom, man. There's nothing like it. So that car now belongs to Tim. Congratulations, Tim. Let's get out to LKQ and see if we can find some parts. Hey, looks like Mike's been here. You know he loves cutting up cars now. Mike, you didn't tell me you're coming out here. Look, they took a 300, they turned it into a pickup truck. That's actually kind of cool. I kind of like it. Wow. All right, so I found a door panel that matches mine. Mine has got this light gray with dark gray, and I'm pretty picky. If I'm going to replace it, I want to replace it with a nice one. So this one looks really good. Unfortunately, I don't remember how John did this. I know that this panel right here pops off. I think this pops off. There's only a couple screws in this, and it lifts up and off. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. Like that. All right, we also need this speaker, as whoever took my truck apart last time left the speaker out of it, so we're going to snatch up this speaker while we're at it. There you go, one speaker. I don't think I've mentioned this yet, but I'm about at the end of the truck rows, and for the life of me, I don't know what it is about these rear quarter doors, but every time I find one, they're either jammed shut, the windows are busted out of them, or they're damaged. And I think I just found a good one here. Take a look. The door itself looks to be in pretty good shape. It's white though. I really wanted a black one so I could just throw it on and it would look almost OEM. It's a nice looking door otherwise. This is this is the best door I have found since I've been here. So I'm gonna keep looking for a black one, but I'm gonna remember this one because I'm damn near at the end of the row. We've only got 1, 2, 3 rows left. So we'll keep looking for a black one, and we may just have to settle for a white one. I mean, it's got to be painted anyway, so I don't think it really makes all that much of a difference. All right, so we got the door off. It really was that simple. There's a little piece of plastic they got back here covering everything up, but it also covers up my my hinge bolts that I need. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get that off. Looks like there's a couple clips right there. We'll start with those and see where it leads us. So Ford, in their infinite wisdom, decided when they did these hinges to put 2 of the bolts right here and a third one on the inside, on the back side. And I was like, all right, no big deal. You know, we'll pull off this trim panel and get to it. Well, it is a big deal because I cannot get this seat to move. I got the bottom piece to go up, but whether the seat is up or down, I cannot get the back piece of this seat to fold down so I can even get to it. So screw the hinges. At this point, it's getting late in the day. They're going to be closing soon. We got to get all the way to the front. We got the door. If anything, I can order the hinges online or something. So that's a pretty big score for the day. We got the door panel. We got the speaker. We got the door itself. We got, what else we get over here? That's about it. We got the speaker we needed, the door panel for the red truck, the speaker for the red truck, this door for the black Harley, all the little nuts and screws. We got the bolts for the steering gearbox also for the red truck, because the one on the red truck is bent. Those are bent. Yeah, so we got a few goodies today. It's enough to keep us going for a little while. Let's get back to the house. All right, so that's about it for the video. But to recap, the door panel that I bought does not fit. And John, shout out to you, man. John knew the minute he saw it in a picture that door panel was not going to fit. You've got to take the door panel off of the Super Crew because the doors are different. The doors are bigger on the just single cab or whatever they call it, and then the extended cab, the doors are a different size, so it's got to be from a Super Crew. So we got to go take that back. I've got this little pulley I've got to put on the Harley Davidson to stop the belts from squeaking, and then I got to get that thing down to Mike because we are going to get ready to do the paint work and make that thing look beautiful again. I got some exciting news and some not so exciting news. We'll start with the not so exciting news. I got the quarter panel for the Z. And unfortunately, Mike went up there with me. Everything looked good. Unfortunately, when they started getting under there to cut that quarter section out, and it's literally a quarter of a car. They cut a quarter of the entire car. They got under there and looked at it, and they found that there was frame damage that somebody had covered up. It had been a horrible hack job. And I want to give a big shout out to CNC Salvage, or CNC Auto Salvage, up on Northeast 23rd Street here in Midwest City, Del City, Oklahoma City area. These guys are straight up and honest. You know, they could have cut it and sold it to us and left us figure it out, but they were straight up. They put a lot of work into getting that quarter panel ready to cut, only to find out that there was hidden damage, and they were straight up with us, no issues at all. They don't have another one, so they couldn't help us. But I was able to source another one. Still sick. I was able to source another quarter panel for the Z for even cheaper. I actually got it for $240 for the entire quarter section from Best Price Salvage in Oklahoma City. So, you know, I'm not complaining. I saved basically $100 on the quarter section, and I got to go get a refund from CNC here in just a minute. Now, that's the not so exciting news. Now the exciting news is Mike, aka Weird Beard, the guy that's doing all the heavy lifting. He's doing all this major work when it comes to body and paint. Mike is monetized, so congratulations, Mike. I would appreciate it, and I know Mike would appreciate it, if you guys go over there, subscribe to Weird Beard on YouTube. Please watch his videos. His videos are doing really well. I mean, really well. One of his last videos got like 24,000, 25,000 views, and that was a couple days ago. So his videos are doing great. He's monetized, so finally Mike can start making a little money because he deserves it. He works for it. He deserves to be paid just like everybody else on YouTube. And you guys, you know, you make that possible for me. You make that possible for him. Without our subscribers, we could not afford to do what we do. We got to get paid for what we do, or we'd be losing money on everything we do here. So we both, Mike appreciates you, I appreciate you. Please go on over there, subscribe to him, and congratulate him. Leave him a comment somewhere over there on YouTube on one of his previous videos, and just say congratulations, because he is monetized, and I know he is super excited about it, as am I. Stay tuned, because I plan on getting the Harley Davidson truck out to Mike today. That's going to be difficult to do, but I'm going to try to get the Harley out there today. We're waiting for the quarter on the Z. We got a lot coming. And the red truck, I got some things coming for that too that I think you're going to like. I really want to put it together. You know, I'm talking beefy bumper, new rims, new running boards, maybe a winch. And when I say bumper, I mean like a big ranch hand destroyer type bumper. I want to do a few things to the truck. We're not going to go crazy with it. I'm not trying to lift it or do anything like that. I don't want to go crazy with it, but I just want to customize it a little bit. You know, I want to make it look a little more aggressive and make it a little more capable. In case we ever decide to go off-roading, have a little fun, you got to have a winch, and rims just look nice. So I've already got a sponsor for the running boards. I want to thank iBoards for sponsoring the running board section of the truck. They're sending me some really nice running boards because the driver's side is damaged and the mounting hardware is damaged, and I'm having a difficult time finding that specific running board. So I decided to just be easier to replace the whole thing. So it's exciting. I'm trying to get sponsors for the rims. I'm trying to get sponsors for the bumper from Ranch Hand. Trying to get Redhead to sponsor the steering gearbox, and trying to get KMC Wheels to sponsor some XD wheels for the truck. Dog. Always got to interrupt me when I'm making videos. I love that dog, I do. All right, so that's it. Stay tuned, everybody, because I really got big plans for the red truck. I want to make that thing look really special. I've been daily driving it, and it is solid. I mean, rock solid. Thing drives. I cannot believe it's a 4x4. I've had a lot of 4x4 trucks. I've never had one that was so smooth. Just, it cruises, bumps everything. Normally 4-wheel drive is kind of rough. This thing rides like a comfortable pickup truck. So I want to do it right. I do. I want to put some parts on it, throw it together, make it look real decent. Stay tuned for all that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to all of you for making what we do possible here on YouTube. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you very soon in the next one.